meet the president of Ghana. Samo Shamia, meaning baby office, you know. But with all due respect and humility, I want to meet the president.
Your very prophet Aquastim, your mom pay my president John Mahama because spiritual music akomana. Ebusia prophet Roja and 2 other prophets. Edin come shebi abetuja is Efa Mahama, His Excellency the President John Mahama. Ah, ni no. A prophecy of doom. Prophet Jabeso meeting Mahama. Prophet Aqua Stephen, Esi Mahama, and friend on the same Mahama crown phone, and friend. Another no. Prophet Kwaku de Sia. And also, ever can say me after Mahama is the Obias Mawakan was a very dangerous. Obias Mawakan. A very, very scary. I need say NDC for Eddie Diagro. I Penyah Block Media. Mess was any deal. Obey like video, no other, but subscribe button, stand back to the key notification and connect latest updates. Now, better watch in their mammy. Ever comments as she mess was baswa. No, I should be no more for any be ashy. It will be at 25, you know. July, August, Urban, and come share us a deal for in fact, air train for my buying and a was so just say, Omumre, and a was so I need a prophet Roja. If I don't come share or the buyer a far defense minister, my neighbor, my Hobakaya. Or the a video can say defense minister and friend no. Later, I don't guess what Debbie, I didn't know a dear Jubilee House, a woo ABC, or my own home purpose, a series.
Okay, I don't mean you until. You're going to be out. A year away national. You're going to be out. A year away national. Amen. Amen. You're going to pay. Oh, what do you want? I see you. You're going to buy a higher. I see. You're going Amen. Yeah, sorry. I see you. It has already taken it. I see you. Amen. Amen.
Cheretu Ogazagio Wane bezina Papa bezina Mama bezina Auntie bezina.
It all had no empire. And they said last week Fufian Twata na Omaneboama Defense Minister Etwan and Animal Siedo in a plane crash or in a helicopter crash. As on the Mutra Mohammed Dinano Canana. And don't we are any strategy Prophet Roger ADS and comes a year Juma. And after a business idea before we may be just as of from head that can that's money pay alcohol planet now almost about the bonnet. And I'm so crying when say Mahama after me committee bills omonomota and said so see you D4 oh your son bekani oh your son for name a bibi at your bekan. Dinka work at that team no now omono and review professional so they are going to review the prophecy but omonya no so for bianim the other woman no Kube okay Kube 20 of FIFA World Cup look to Kube wa $100 no it's a free anchor.
The news started filtering and it was just I mean anybody who says Bearman so that's the most foolish thing anybody can say. You know, I cried, I wept. I mean I can't hide it. I wept, I cried because Omane Buama in 2008 when I was the Deputy General Secretary in charge of operations, he was like my closest ally. All the operations we were together from the whole electoral process to time to the courts that Saturday or Sunday court case. We did all those operations. Then in 2012, when I was the campaign coordinator for His Excellency President Mahama, he was my deputy. Then after that, like you said, I became the Minister of Sports. He was Minister of Communication. We worked through cabinet very, very, very close. Now, recently, he showed me a book that he had written for Professor Mills. And he said he was going to launch it at the end of
Peaceful Man.
Yes. And that I feature in that book. And I was asking, what have you written about me? Let me know. And now I'm wondering what is going to happen to that book. So that's how close we were. Mutala, when he was in ASU, I was with Nooks and SRC in Legon. We worked very, 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 very closely together. We were very, very close, like brothers. What's his name? Sapon. Sapon, when I was Deputy Minister for Local Government, he was the mayor of Kumasi. We were so close that sometimes when on Fridays, which I call the market days, food soldiers come and they finish you. A Sapon I'll call. I say, Sapon, I'm dry. And then he will send me money, reinforcement. So that's how close. We went to China together on the urban transport project. When I go to Kumasi, when there's time, I go to his house. So that's how close we were. Like, I mean, Muniru, I met him in the lift on the 4th floor last week. And he was telling me, oh, he's been appointed coordinator, deputy coordinator. And that, they're gone.
Sports minister, Onwa. Ona Mahama appointed said that office now creating a honey baby review prophecy no. On your chairman to come she be about Oba culture is a free ankra. Na on a review. Emma Eddie who ever that Eddie phone bis. And what you go was a prophet Roja so wonder there be. Say a young man ask man inquire and come to the bar or beka.
A rather family show a rich prophetic office or Ghana. Say I see you more deep for a deep for near. Me majina when your mere name Ali. Sabi se kwa tumponi ya dembe kwa yem famine kwa rade se menka mebo diaka famine kwa niya mama kama anya mfia yem famine tum me demu wa me pia ba bonten ba me se rade be famine so ebi ma ye bi ko ya papa no mpanifo ni nyina be ye bi ko ya papa nso be mpom nyina be ye bi ba de na yan so ya ba because o se mehwe agu munante mabunu so eni mabunu so ye generation ni ye be shankom ali unyi nkom hye abra Roja City Odi also win bibi ni odi busa boaje na gira we chode na shagu ne last week no last 2 weeks so papa na wo honom anya bosirimuka maame na beka wase won di otia ne na echi ali anya bosirimuka ali anya bosirimuka o kan ka sisi obi ka she bi a wo je ho ali ye ka she ade hu na rade di amaye
eba obeka e ma na se hu se obeka nkom se krafa kwame A+ ho kwame asarobi A+. And what you say A+ and here obenya accident A+ emo oman empire mu enya den ade chi A+ ko Facebook o make post I want to oh I ono so ko hu ya so hu ni say enipa ni bi eje prophet Roja ekra afri ni nsem na ebeba physical enipa bi person make prophet Roja physical and say in other words or challenge no asa making fun of prophecy na prophet Roja edeba na busia yenka bi shemo prophet Roja yi esa de comship abebom a o say or person or meeting Mahama, only be a Mahama office work, but or person or meeting called the Aban.
I want to meet the president of Ghana. Samo Shamia, we knew baby office, but with all due respect and humility, I want to meet the president. Maybe I Ghana, you know. Obi a coming, company for Ghana, you will say, I saw from Solomon fire. And come of what Solomon Pine, and I know he's the president. There was an attack on you in the realms of the spirit. Now, no more person, never ready as we will speak the Lord voice. Yes, Lord. If you don't know where read the scriptures, in the days of my teacher, no, my will shoot you for me. O my bia wo de huru fo a wo yo di fo ani de wo ye na no amamre
Prophet Roja e kan wie ya na hu say another prophet Stephen Akwa oruko do say Mahama kura ntwefo na efre say Prophet Roja de o say no bezo meeting Mahama we de wo say Mahama kura amfo de fo enfro no Stephen Akwa.
The very prophet Akwa your mom pay my president John Mahama because spiritual me see ate akomana ate because your mom pay anu de me na me say president John Mahama obehwe me the NDC for pen for say bu tie mi a uma the president John Mahama behwe enkomo bi ho oba me ne bedi nkomo akọ deep oba me ne bedi nkomo akọ deep yenim ne yeka yenim de hu the legend kuma me ka kire no Emma Mesako office. Emma, the former Chama, your friend Chama Bro Edidi Matem. Emma Chama Ampofo, the current of Ejosu constituency Pamacho. Asaba make Minimeka. Honorable Buama Mekanwasem. The late John Basua Mekanwasem. Say Yama Yani Amro, my Ghana, and Sema Besisi. Ghana Hampeni for me. Election me kan wasem enti mpanifo bebre ni me Dr. Anthony Sansari mpanifo bebre me kan wasem say MPP belusu majority in parliament na election NDC lead ha be bese me ka se me tro man Ghana ewe yebre onyame de tumi ni ahode ama say yenye na djuma Yamon Paye Emma the minister of foreign affairs na Yamon Paye Emma the minister of finance Yamon Paye famano na Yamon Paye Am I papa brane champon? Because soon me who say wada one sorry. Come who say war on the panel, honorable brane champon. Because me who say wada one sorry. Ya mom pie anodem and faman. Because ya mom pie mana anodere. Anodem. Honorable Arena Ilusu, my friend and fa. Soon spiritually no. Me who see a frewani am waka dem. Me who see a bubu gufom. The Minister of Education. Yamon Paima, the Minister of Education. Or Yamon Panodene. Honorable Sedun Katia, my friends, one fa. Mwanimre, Honorable Sedun Katia. Okra, Efrunza, Sunsum Okra no. Sunsum Okra eno. Me kasem yo. Ade tell Honorable for Swampofo. Abra no chama me say, Daddy, me who say Sunsum ne two adia so. E tell Ade say, oh, you very good na me yakwanchema no. Ade kasem nkwaya de wasie, wentie me. Ene ma Honorable Asenu Katia be two na dia so. It Honorable of Swampofo ni masem ameken. Ghana ha. Onyame afia so me catch Honorable sorry. Frida Prempe so be lusu ni seat. Inti Collins offense so so be lusu. Zama ye ni amra Ghana ha. Yama ye ni amra enseme besis na no de. Enseme besis na no de. Because me hu se ensu kese ato na ewiema mu na ewiema ye tum. Empanifo no either NDC MPP. Empanifo bia ya de bi ama na tie urade. Election e course 2024 and no be akoko koso. Ene odwan ene a confirm ene no ma ne ntu nkrofo bi de sisi afom. It afina assassin in punoma. The Empire. Empire in UK, US, London, Germany. Because soon no, me who say earthquake be a sea. Me say earthquake a sea. I know what then. Say the CEO. Taking me can wash him. Am I a share? Christian Epuno. The Empire the best I know then. Say NDC be so much taking 2028 on. Me here Honorable Julius Dabla. Me here Honorable Julius Dabra. Soon no. My way on. Ono na Ghana, already the Ghana ide ashanisa. But when you're very careful, never so. Because I can't less than 4 months. Because soon ya am no maybe and go come man anode me. Ya mon kanchire Captain Smart say me say or you D4 my na onyame na Ghana for mun take Captain Smart because spiritually no ade awrade be fa Captain Smart so ayo man Ghana no den na no she but nipa mu nipa mfa na nyahwe but awrade select na numa sem yoja na prophet Roja mon ko hwe no because sum no na me de oman na hye na me de oman no ahye and normal air coso, any women air coso, your mom pine for Ghana police service because spiritually on you say Accra headquarter a jack to Ghana police service. Now me say you be too rough. See your mom pine 2028 on Ghana be butu. Your mom pine na your fan no maybe and go come 2028 Ghana be butu. Empire 2020 Ghana ebebutu because soon we are and no maybe I cost na no then so let's see be am de ma sofo nyina mama yenyina yen kabum yenye big crusade because soon it was say big crusade asori nyina ewiase nyina the whole Ghana the solid nyina it was say solid nyina because a normal man who say air cost na no then and no man who say cost na no then because ya mom paya the eba na no then ya mom paya the eba na no then because spiritually me who say ewiema dane who say ewiema dane ewiem atane ewiema dane me see ya mom paya minister of do shagadidi bosa no man me hu na no then ya mom paya minister of finance. No man, ya mom prime minister of finance because soon no me use ono say ya tiam esu ya mom prime minister of finance because the air cost no ano den Anodin. Alukota na tie no. Nipa lanke ye peno. Ye nya no etofom ye. Na medika ka cho na bo ase dun ka tia long time. Ba oka o sene message to obehwe so view o friend so onfa. Sometimes onyame de tumi amayo. Sometimes onyame da na de wo from a o mo se from so obeka che no sofo. Osofo no na Awurade da na de kire ye. Osofo wo na Awurade da na de kire se en kan kire wo. Ti ye ma ye ni mre. Ha me de bufo na e kasa wo. Because soon no normal air caution and ordinary. It we need to wake up. The Awurade se me kan kire wo man no. Onyame se bie no maso a ye be sha de aba.
Na wusia kwaku de sia ese tirem say Mahama anya careful a wan hwe ya nipa bi plan coup d'etat against his government.
Or they will hit the person will be somebody close to him, either a child or someone. They will kill someone. And this coup is already in their making. They have already finalized everything. And we're inside of my area. Almost trying the perfect date. And the first thought that they thought about was 1st July. Yes. And they discussed. I had this vision on Saturday and Friday. Friday after all night long. Saturday morning, the short time I slept like that short time, that's the first vision I had. And people were angry at me that I saw it, but I didn't talk about it. That's what I'm trying to say tonight. You know, you're not prophesy like this. Oh my God, even the first night, we prophesy the first night, we prophesy first Sunday. Again, Trinity. We can't have people not listening. It's never that is any kind of confusion. A lot of confusion, but we can't say for first Sunday. And it happens. It happens. So this one, I pray something about higher man, but I can't do anything about it because it's not my dream. There are prophets who can do it. But more now, it's not very. It's a more direction coming to you. Also, what do you do it? So I'll keep my direction. So I'll get it. Don't be angry. When you talk and people listen, you like to talk. If you talk and people nobody's listening, you don't like to and natural with people. So if I can't know, if I say one. If you like, write it down. If you like, record me. I'm not missing any prophecy. I don't fear my prophecies. There is a missing first attempt will be 1st July. Where went Father you can go. 4.
So when in someone just say etwagu monten so ni na fa Mahama ho. E fa Ghana president. Ubet ma tire wa adwene ama me. E wo comment section. I Penyah Media. Accra.